Welcome to the Frontier Survival Challenge. Out here, you'll learn to survive with only your wits and what's around you. Let's begin. The Appalachian Expedition, Tradition and Terrain. Our gear honors the pioneers who explored these wilds. I'm checking the weather. There's a significant risk tonight. The temperature is dropping to 40 degrees. Be prepared for the cold. See these? Fresh bear tracks and scat on the trail. The scat is recent and the tracks are heading deeper into the woods. Look at this strange yellow berry. It could be poisonous. Never eat wild fruit unless you're certain. Whoa, look at the size of that wasp nest. I need to be careful here. Frontier settlers harvested larvae for protein. They'd find a nest like this, a crucial food source. These are puffballs, edible when young. I'll leave these for the forest. Let's test this cushion. I could camp by this boulder. It might reflect heat and keep me warm. I should push on for a site closer to the water. There you are. Can't believe I misplaced this. All set now. Check out my new purse. It's got bear spray and a knife. Bears hate it. The roots have burned underground. Gotta be careful of sinkholes. These smoldering fires burn slowly underground. The heat moves through the soil layers here. I have to clear these webs. There we go. See this brown color? It's from tannin. Tannin leaches from decaying plants, staining the water. Squeezing water from clean moss. It's a vital emergency water source. Gathering huge armloads of leaves to build a thick mattress. This creek is perfect. And look, a rock overhang. This will work great. Let's get these sharp rocks out of here. There, a flat spot to sleep. Clearing a safe spot for the fire under the ledge will protect it. This dripping rock above will keep the fire from spreading. These should be enough. Now to get them back. Okay, coordinates locked. Family knows my location. Signal is strong, all good. Stacking wood log cabin style. This lets air flow through to dry it. The fire's heat helps too. Preparing herbal tea in a small steeper for the evening. Shredding some jerky for extra calories. I can feel the warmth returning to my body. Mixing the dough in the bag for morning. It'll be ready soon. She hangs the bag near the fire's warmth to let it rise. Gotta keep out the mountain chill. This rock ledge is a perfect shelter. It's ready to cook. This fabric is hand-woven for strength and breathability, and this backpack is built to last, with reinforced stitching. Gotta put this fire out. Water should do it. Cover the ashes. Whew. Finally made it back. What a hike. So worth it. Joining this adventure, subscribe for more frontier explorations. See you on the next trail.